How do I calculate line 16 on Form 1040? Line 16 on Form 1040 represents your total tax liability after subtracting any tax credits. Simply put, it tells you how much tax you owe the IRS or how much they owe you before considering any withholding or estimated payments. This number is crucial because it sets the stage for determining whether you get a refund or owe more money at tax time. One important thing to remember is that line 16 cannot be less than 0. If your tax credits are larger than your total tax on line 15, you can't have a negative tax liability here. Instead, any refundable credits will show up on other lines as refunds. Double-check your calculations to avoid errors and ensure your tax return is accurate. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.